think that, you want Delhi to be better. How? Is it safety? Is it infrastructure?
Yes, safety definitely, especially, for women, you can't think of traveling alone, no matter how developed you say Delhi is. But still, till today, I don't think it's too safe for women.
There's a lot of talk that if you have the same representative from the same political party at the councillor level and as MLA, then work will get done. Is that the solution?
You are right. It will be much better if both are from the same mind frame and same party. But ऐसा तो होना नहीं चाहिए कि काम ना हो हमारे.
Do you think also on the issue of freebies, like Sir mentioned, do you feel disappointed when every political party speaks of it?
I think they're needed because, yes, of course, the poor people are able to travel. They get electricity. They are very happy. And I'm also very happy. At least the electricity doesn't go. Our generators are lying idle.
We are okay with welfare. Freebies is money. But now it is a competitive thing.
Correct.
Between all parties. So who do you choose?
First they were criticized, not the same thing.
First thing, वही जैसे statehood के लिए पहले बोलते हैं, इस हर चीज के लिए we want political parties to have a binding manifesto.
Saurabhji, welcome to India Today. We've been going around GK. We spoke to the RWAs, and I have a few questions for you on behalf of them. You've been the MLA of GK. You're looking to come back as the MLA. What is it that you've not done that you want to accomplish next?
I think GK1 per se has been at a disadvantage because they had a BJP councillor and she has terrorized the MCD workers in such a way that even if I want to do something, I want to give my MLA funds, she doesn't let it happen. You go to any of the park, you will find, children's swings there, you will find gazebo there, you will find, decorative lights there. We have changed the sewer lines, we have changed the water lines. We have done whatever we could do from my MLA funds.
So there are limitations. You're saying you have regret. So then, when the BJP says ensure double engine government, ensure we're in the state, ensure we're in the center, you'll get everything. How do you counter that narrative?
No. It is basically, people have seen what BJP does because Delhi had BJP government. So what BJP is telling the voters today is that whatever Kejriwal did, we are ready to do the same. So if BJP has to do what Kejriwal has been doing, then why do we need BJP? We have Kejriwal.